Hello, my name is Gordon. Regular patrons of our shop may know me for slinging lattes and serving bacon bagels, but my primary role within the business is as our coffee director. Since stepping into this role, I have had the pleasure of working with quality green coffee from around the world, meticulously sampling, cupping, and exploring the potential flavor profiles that different roasts have to offer our coffee menu. I'm pleased to announce that we have something new coming to our shelves and subscription services very soon. When designing our first new blend, I really wanted to capture the spirit of our hometown within a roast, if such a thing could even be done. Radford is an industrious small town populated by hardworking Virginians that rise early and burn the midnight oil to provide for our families and communities. Such an assiduous community deserves a classic, strong, dark roast to fuel us through the day. Cutting all this industry, however, is the meandering namesake of the New River Valley that we call home. Nearly as old as the mountains they split, the New River defines Radford recreation and leisure. I knew this blend also had to be representative of the cool blue freshness that the New River delivers. With that, I'm pleased to introduce Channel Cat, a medium dark blend that's named after the whiskered benthic freshwater fish that so many of us no doubt grew reeling out of the water. Regulars of our shop have already gotten to taste this new blend and have dubbed it delicious. Channel Cat is a blend of Sumatran dark roast and Brazilian medium with shadowy notes of peanut and chocolate and light hints of strawberry. Channel Cat delivers no matter your brew method. Drip drinkers, espresso fans, and cold brewers alike can all dig in on Channel Cat. But that's not all. 'Tis the season to be merry, and we have just the blend to keep you warm on these dark winter days. Introducing Yule Log, a blend of Brazilian and Colombian beans that are rich in iconic Christmas flavors, like pomegranate, cranberry, and dark chocolate. All that's left to do now is to come get some, and stay tuned for new blends coming very soon. When you do try some, feel free to let me know what you think. Locals know exactly where to find me, but if you would like to provide feedback from wherever you find yourself, we encourage you to fill out our coffee survey, which will be pinned on all of our socials. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you around.